morning, children. How are you, children? Okay, I think you are fine and you are maintaining the hygiene, children. Cleanliness, because cleanliness will prevent you from corona. Okay, children. Now, children, let us start this session with a beautiful thought. Today's thought is, where there is a will, there is a way. I repeat, where there is a will, there is a way. So with this beautiful thought, I am going to continue my today's session, worksheet number 4 of unit number 4. What is the topic? Today's topic that I am going to deal with, addition and subtraction of fractional numbers. Now, let us, children, firstly I am going to deal with addition. Addition of the fraction number. Children, in your previous class, you have learned how to add the numbers, okay, by using the place value chart and then carry over. All those things, the rules of addition, all of you know. So let us deal with, firstly we will add with unlike fraction, okay, unlike fraction. So let us recapitulate. What is unlike fraction? Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are those fractions which are having the different denominators. In the previous chapter, I have taught you how to compare unlike fractions. What you have to do? Firstly, we have to find out LCM of the denominators, and then for each fraction number we will multiply the quotient which we get after the division of the LCM and the denominator of that fractional number. So we have to change those unlike fractions into the like fractions, right? After that we will be able to do any kind of a comparison or addition, subtraction, all those things. Now let us take an example. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 6. 3 by 8 and 1 by 6 are unlike fractions. So first method is, we have to change these unlike fractions into like fractions, right? So what is the method? Firstly, first step, to change the unlike fractions into the like fractions, we have to take LCM of denominators 8 and 6. LCM of denominators 8 and 6, right? So let us take the LCM with the help of division method. We start from the lowest common factor, that is 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now I am going to divide with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 3 will not be divided, it will be written as it is. Now I will divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 3 will remain as it is, and then I will divide with 3. 1 will not use, 3 will divide it by 3, it is 1. So this is the LCM. What is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So here the LCM of denominators 8 and 6 is 24. Now next step. After finding the LCM of the denominators, that is 8 and 6, we get 24. Then we will convert these two fractions. 3 by 8 will be converted. How we will convert? We will divide LCM by the denominator, right? This one. So here LCM is 24. We divide the denominator, this one, that is 8, right? So it will become 24 divided by 8 is 3, correct? Now this 3 by 8, it will be multiplied. 3 and 8 will be multiplied by this quotient, 3 and 3. So it is 9 by 24, correct? So we get what? 9 by 24. Now let us convert another. Always remember that before adding, we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fraction. So now come to this 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is converted into what? 9 by 24, right? Now come to 1 by 6. This 1 by 6, again we will divide LCM 24 with the denominator 6, right? So it is equal to 6 fours are 24. Now we will multiply numerator and denominator of fraction 1 by 6 with the quotient 4. That is 1 times of 4 is 4 and 6 times of 4 is 24. So we get another the fraction, we convert 1 by 6 into 4 by 24. Correct? Now let us follow the next step. Now here we have converted 3 by 8 as 9 by 24, 1 by 6 as 4 by 24. Both are having the same denominator. All of you see, this is 24, this is 24. I have converted these two unlike fractions into like fraction. Now children, now we will write down these two like fractions, 9 by 24 and 4 by 24. Now what we will do children? We will not change the denominator. We will not change the denominator. Okay, the denominator will remain the same. Here it is 24 and it is 24. So here the denominator will be same, right? We will only add this 9 and 4. These two will be added, 9 plus 4. So what will be? After addition, 9 plus 4 is 13 by 24. So this is the answer. 13 by 24. It is the answer, result after addition of two unlike fractions, 3 by 8 and 1 by 6. Okay children, now let us take the example of subtraction. How we will do? Now we will discuss subtraction. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Next method. Okay, before discussing subtraction, I will elaborate this addition with some more examples. So let us start with the example, that is worksheet number 4, question number 1a. The example is 5 by 8 plus 1 by 6. Here 5 by 8 and 1 by 6 both are unlike fractions. So first step, we have to convert these unlike fractions into what? Like fractions. So how we will able to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction? Firstly, we will take this denominator, LCM of these two denominators. So firstly, we will take LCM means least common multiple, 8 and 6. Correct? We will find out LCM of these denominator, 8 and 6. Right? So by division method, I will find out, and we will divide with the least common factor. So common prime factor. So I will take the 2. 2 is the common prime factor of 8 and 6. So I will divide 8 and 6 by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Again I will divide 4 with the least common factor with 2, but 3 will not be divided. So 2 2s are 4, 3 will remain as it is. Again I will divide 2 with 2, 1 and 3 will remain as it is, and then here 3 is there, so I will divide with 3 because the common factor of 3 will be 3 and 1 will remain as it is. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So here all of you see that the LCM of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So here LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24. Correct? Okay. Now, next method is what we will do? We will convert these two unlike fractions into the like fraction. So let us deal with 5 by 8. Firstly, I will divide this LCM 24 will be divided by this 8. Okay children? So 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Then next step, what you will do? We will multiply the numerator and denominator with this quotient which comes after the division of LCM and the denominator. Okay. Okay, what comes as a quotient? What is the quotient here? 3. So I will multiply 3 with the numerator and then also with the denominator. After multiplication, when you are multiplying, it will be multiplying straight. There will be no cross multiplication. 5 will be multiplied by 3 just frontwise. 8 will be multiplied by 3. So 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. And then here 15 by 24. Okay, now always keep in mind what I have converted. 5 by 8 is converted into 15 by 24. Now LCM of the denominators 8 and 6 is 24. Now next step is I will convert this 5 by 8. So what I will have to do? I will divide this LCM by this denominator 8, right? What is the LCM? LCM is 24 divided by 8. So what is the result? 24 divided by 8 is 3, correct? Now this is the quotient, 3 is the quotient. So this 5 by 8, okay. Now here this 5 by 8, 5 will be multiplied by 3 and 8 will be multiplied by 3. So what is the result? We will multiply this numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 5 3s are 15 and 8 3s are 24. Correct? So now come to the next. Next one is 1 by 6. Here also LCM is 24. LCM will be divided by this denominator 6. So what is the LCM? 24. 24 will be divided by 6, that is equal to 4. So here 1 by 6 will be converted by multiplying 4 with the both numerator and denominator of the fraction 1 by 6. So 1 times of 4 is 4 and 6 times of 4 is 24. So here children, all of you see that 15 by 24 and 4 by 24. These are both like fractions. Now, next step, we will add these two like fractions. Correct? So, 15 by 24 plus 4 by 24. So, here both the denominators are same, so I will take the same denominator in the addition, and then we will add the numerator of these two fractions, that is 15 and 4. So I will write here 15 plus 4, which equals 15 plus 4 19 divided by this denominator 24. So 19 by 24 is the result of addition of 5 by 8 and 1 by 6. Now let us take another example. Let us take another example. The fraction is 4 by 7 plus 11 by 14. So firstly we will take the LCM of these two denominators, because the denominators are not same. These two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to convert them as a like fraction. It means we will make this denominator same. So firstly the LCM of 7 and 14 is equal to 14. Right? Now 4 by 7 equals this 14 LCM will be divided by this denominator 7. Correct? So 14 is the LCM divided by 7, that is equal to 2. Now here 4 by 7. We multiply 4 by with the 2. This 2 is a quotient, and also we multiply 7 with 2, because we will have to multiply with the same number with the numerator and denominator of the fraction. So 4 2s are 8 and 7 2s are 14. Correct? So now come to 11 by 14. 11 by 14 is also, now the LCM I have to take what is LCM? 14. 14 will be divided by this denominator of the fraction 11 by 4, that is 14, that is equal to 1. Now here 11 by 14, I will multiply the numerator and denominator with 1. 1 is the quotient, 1. So it is 11 by 14. So we get two fractions. These are like fractions, 8 by 14, 11 by 14 with the same denominator 14. Okay, now it is easy for addition. So I will add 8 by 14 plus 11 by 14. So here I will, the denominators are same, so here the denominator will be same. Now I will add this numerator with the numerator, 8 plus 11, that is equals 8 plus 11 is 19 by 14. Since all of you see this 19 and by 14, this is an improper fraction because numerator is more than denominator. So I have to convert this improper fraction into mixed number. So 19 will be divided by 14. So 14 ones are 14 minus it is 5. So how I will write the mixed number? Firstly I will write this, this is a quotient as a whole number, and then I will take the remainder as a numerator divided by divisor, that is 14. So this 5 by 14, it is the answer. Always whenever you are having the improper fraction as a result, in a result while we are doing the addition, okay, so improper fraction you have to convert it into the mixed number. Now let us take another example of adding three fractional number. So let us take an example. Example is 3 by 10, 7 by 15 and 1 by 6. Here first method step is we have to, all these are unlike fractions, so I will firstly convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. So first step I will take LCM. Firstly what I have to take? LCM of 10, 15 and 6, correct? So I will use the division method, 10, 15 and 6. First step I will start with the dividing the using the common factors. Okay, common factors, here I am taking the common factors of 10, 15, right? Or I can use the, because 15 is not, it does not comes in the multiples of 2, 0, 4 or 6, 5 doesn't comes in the multiples of 2, 4, 6 and 8. So I have to take whether 10 or 15, or I will take 10 or 6. 10 or 6, it is a multiple of 2, 10 or 15, it is the multiple of 5, correct? So here I am taking, considering 10 and 15, their lowest common factor is 1. 1 is the first common, and other than 1 it is lowest common prime factor, that is 5. So I will start dividing with 5. 5, 10 divided by 5 it is 2, 15 divided by 5 is 3, and then 6 will not be divided, it will, the number which will not be divided by the factor, the number will be written as it is as a quotient. Now here 2, 3 and 6, here all of you see that 2 and 3, they are having the common factor 2, and 3 and 6 are also having the common factor 3. So I will start with the lowest common factor of any two number, 2 and 6 I am taking. So I will start to divide with 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 will not be divided, it is written as it is. Now 6 is divided by 2 is 3. Now I will start to divide with 3. 3, 1 will not be divided, 3 divided by 3 it is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now I will divide with 1, so it is 1, 1 and 1. So LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. It is not necessary to write down 1. So because every 1 is the multiple of every number. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 30. So here LCM is 30. Right? Now so next step I will convert each fraction into like fraction. So 3 by 10. So here 30, the LCM will be divided by the denominator 10 of this fraction 3 by 10. So it is equals what? It is equal 30 divided by 10 is 3. Okay. Now this 3 by 10, it will be 3 will be multiplied by 3 and 10 will be multiplied by 3. So result is 3 3s are 9 and 3 10s are 30. Now come to next 7 by 15. Now again I will divide this LCM 30 by the denominator of 7 by 15, that is 15. So which gives 30 divided by 15 is 2. So here 7 will be multiplied by 2 and 15 will also be multiplied by 2. So result is 14 by 30. Correct? Come to the last fraction 1 by 6. Here 30, the LCM will be divided by the denominator of 1 by 6, that is 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So here 1 will be multiplied by 5 and divided by 6 will be multiplied by 5. Both numerator and denominator of 1 by 6 will be multiplied by 5. After multiplication, 1 times of 5 is 5 and 6 times of 5 is 30. So here you see that this 9 by 30 and 14 by 30 and 5 by 30, these all are like fraction. So it is now easy to add them. So 9 by 30 plus 14 by 30 plus 14 by 30 plus 5 by 30. Okay. Now next step. So here all of you see 9 by 30 plus 14 by 30 plus 5 by 30. So when we add it, so 30, 30, 30, we will take the common 3 as a denominator. Now we will add this numerator 9, 14 and 5. So 9 plus 14 plus 5. What is the result? Result is 28 by 30. Now this 28 by 30, it is not in the lowest term because let us, it can be divided with the lowest common factor, that is 2. So 28 will be also divided by 2 and 30 will be also divided by 2. So after division, both 28 and 30 will be divided by 2. So after division, it gives 14 by 15. Now it is in the lowest term and it is the answer. Now after addition, I am going to discuss this subtraction. Now in case of subtraction also same, methods are same. Firstly you have to convert the unlike fractions into the like fractions. Right. So in your previous class you have learned to subtract the like fractions. Okay children. So you know the method of like fraction subtraction. Now firstly I am taking the example of the subtraction between the like fraction. For example 3 by 7 minus 1 by 7. So here all of you see children, the 7 and 7, the denominators are same. So we will take the common denominator same. Common denominator 7 and 7. So here in subtraction we will take the same denominator. And in case of numerator, the numerators will be subtracted. That is 3 will be subtracted to 1. That is 1 is subtracted from 3. The simple subtraction, numerators will be subtracted. Okay. And the denominators are common in case of like fraction. So it will be the common denominators will be used. So 3 minus 1 is 2 by 7. So this is the answer. Then it is a proper fraction. In case of improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed number. Now let us take the example of unlike fractions. In this class, you will study the subtraction between the unlike fractions. Correct? So let us take an example of unlike fraction. Unlike fraction, the fractions which are having the different denominators. Correct? Now, for example, 3 by 5 from 7 by 10. Whenever this operation is used, it means you have to subtract 3 by 5 from 7 by 10, or you can write 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5. here all of you see that these two fractions are unlike. Why? Because the denominators are different. So here also you have to convert these two fractions 7 by 10 and 3 by 5 into like fraction. Now here children, this 3 by 5, 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5. So I will take LCM of these two denominators 10 and 5. So first LCM of 10 and 5. What is the LCM of 10 and 5? It is 10. Now second step, this is first step. Second step, this 7 by 10 we have to convert these into like fractions. Both fractions will be converted. So here we divide LCM, that is 10, will be divided with the denominator, that is 10 here. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. Correct? So we will multiply the numerator and denominator with this quotient, that is 1. 7 into 1 and 10 into 1, that is equal to 7 by 10. Correct? Now come to the second fraction, that is 3 by 5. Third step, this 3 by 5, you have to also convert it into the like fraction of 7 by 10. So here LCM, what is LCM? LCM is 10 and we will divide, LCM will be divided with the denominator, that is 5. So 10 is divided by 5, it gives 2. Now this is the quotient children. Then what we will do, this 3 of the numerator will be multiplied by 2 and the 5, that is denominator, will also multiplied by 2. So it will become 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So remember, this is 7 by 10 and 6 by 10. So after converting these two fractions, that is 7 by 10 will be subtracted with, not from 6 by 10. That is 6 by 10 will be subtracted from 7 by 10. Now, what you have learned in standard 4. So this, since the denominators are same, I will take the common denominator 10 and the numerators will be subtracted. 7 minus 6. So what do we get? 7 minus 6 is 1 and the divided by 10. So 1 by 10 is our answer. Okay children? So always remember that whenever you are doing addition or subtraction of unlike fraction, then you have to firstly convert all those fractions into the like fractions children. Okay. So after that, after converting those fractions into like fractions, so you can do subtraction and addition, and subtraction and addition will be done in among the numerators. And because the denominators are common, so we will take that common denominator as the result of the addition and subtraction. Correct? Now here in question number 1 in worksheet 4, it is addition children. So you have to do addition, and question number 2 is subtraction. Okay. So your classwork is, C work is, you have to do question number 1, and H work is, you have to do question number 2 of what? Worksheet number 4 and worksheet number 4 of unit number 4. So children, I hope you have enjoyed my class. So till then, goodbye. But if you have any kind of problem, you can contact me through video call in the WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, I will clear your queries. So till then, children, goodbye. Have a nice day.